Welcome to the channel Living Speaker, where you get to see all videos on audio. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started together.
In this video, we are going to talk about Bose Smart Soundbar 900. According to many Bose Smart Soundbar 900 reviews, this soundbar provides outstanding acoustic performance. Whether you're rocking out to your iTunes song or watching a Netflix episode with sharp language, the wireless connectivity lets you to utilize it with your laptop or mobile devices, and the neutral black hue goes beautifully with your existing home decor. As an added plus, this soundbar is simple to connect to a television through the optical audio or HDMI/ER connections. Are you ready for our evaluation of the Bose Smart Soundbar 900? Let's get this party started. Who is the product designed for? Anyone looking for a cinematic audio experience will love this soundbar. According to the majority of Bose Smart Soundbar reviews, this soundbar is also perfect for anybody who listens to music frequently, since the surround sound gives the impression of being at a live concert. When listening to music, the Dolby Atmos technology enhances action-packed movie sequences while also letting you to fully feel the treble, bass, and mid-range tones. The phase guide technology in the soundbar allows you to split conversation, sound effects, and instruments and position them in different areas of your entertainment room, such as above, far left, and far right. This gives you the impression that everything you hear is coming from somewhere other than your speaker, creating a theater-like atmosphere. Product overview. According to our Bose Smart Soundbar 900 review, this soundbar strikes the ideal combination between superb audio quality, stylish design, and useful smart functions. This soundbar is 41 inches long, 4 inches deep, and 2.3 inches high, making it ideal for televisions with a screen size of 50 inches or more. 4 racetrack transducers, 2 phase guide enabled tweeters, 2 dipole transducers, and a center tweeter are among the soundbar's 9 drivers. Other Bose speakers, such as the 700 and 500, work nicely with it. According to many Bose Smart Soundbar 900 reviews, this soundbar's auditory experience is unrivaled. With features like ADAPTQ, which enhances speech and helps fine-tune the sounds to each area, it provides exceptional power and clarity. The proprietary phase guide to perfectly orient audio in your home is one of the most amazing features of the Bose Soundbar 900. This creates a fantastic sense of immersion. When a musician performs while standing in the center right, it appears as though the music is coming from the center right of your living room. It appears like the helicopter on your screen is hovering over you while you are viewing a movie. In addition, for hands-free operation, this soundbar is compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa. Even though the speaker is playing music, the soundbar contains noise-canceling microphones that listen to your voice instructions. Now we will discuss the key features of soundbar. Number 1. Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is a surround sound system that isolates sounds and voices in their own area and adds height to sound, allowing you to perceive sound as a three-dimensional entity. This contributes to the creation of an immersive acoustic experience. If the material you're listening to isn't Dolby Atmos encoded, this soundbar employs Bose TrueSpace to analyze and upmix other signals, such as 5.1 or stereo, to provide immersive sound no matter what you're listening to. Number 2. Phase guide technology. The innovative phase guide technology in the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 beams sound to various regions of your living space. This technique gives the impression that the music is originating from somewhere other than your speaker. As a result, it appears as if actors rushing across the screen are passing you by. Number 3. Built-in voice assistants. You can use Google Assistant and Alexa to manage your entertainment and obtain information with your voice with the Bose Smart Soundbar 900. Even when playing, the soundbar has voice-canceling microphones that listen to your orders in all directions. The mic off button may be used to turn off these microphones if you wish to be more private. Voice for video technology on the soundbar allows you to operate your television and cable box with your voice. Number 4. Wireless connectivity. The soundbar's wireless connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Chromecast, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, allowing you to stream whatever you choose. You can also use the wireless networking to link several Bose smart soundbars in separate rooms, allowing you to sit in your bedroom while listening to music from your living room. Number 5. Audio calibration technology ADAPTQ. ADAPTQ is a room calibration technology that analyzes your surroundings and automatically adjusts the soundbar. The soundbar's audio is fine-tuned to function optimally in a certain space. After installing the Bose Music app, you may set up ADAPTQ. You may return to the app and run ADAPTQ again if the room changes considerably, or if you wish to add surround speakers later. Are you going to buy this product? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.